Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight, and we have a coupon that we haven't seen before, or probably have in a while. No item exclusions, valid 9/13 to 9/15, so only for this weekend. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Do apologize for my voice. Like I said, I'm not 100% on my throat right now. I've been kind of sick lately, so just to let you know, bear with me on this video. You got a 5% or $5 off any $50 or $10 off any $100 item. So it says no exclusions, so you can pretty much get this on any tool that's above a $50 or $100, depending on what you're gonna get. It says online coupon code, entering checkout at 2155-3482. That is the coupon code. It says limit one coupon per customer per day. Valid in store online. Save 5% off any qualifying purchase of $50 or $10. Any qualifying purchase of $100 more after applying other applicable offers. So what it's saying here is you can stack them up. That's what it says here. It says more after applying to any applicable offers or discounts. When redeemed online, this discount offer cannot be combined with any other discounts, promotions, or coupons. Discounts cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club, extended service plan, or gift purchases not prior to purchase. So according, don't get me wrong if you guys put down on the comments if I'm wrong or not, but according to what it says here, my understanding is you can stack it up. Like if you can maybe get a 20% off or something like that, or maybe another discount, and then you can just add this on top of it. It says here more than applying to other applicable offers and discounts. So yeah, that's what I think this is meaning. So let me know in the comments down below if you tried this or not, and see what type of discounts you guys can get with this. So maybe you could use this 20% off coupon and stack it up to stack another 5 on top or 10 on top. We got a 20% off coupon here. It's valid through Sunday, September 15th. It's 215-60951. Basically, it's like a standard 20% off. You got free flashlight here. If you guys need a flashlight, definitely recommend these for you guys. Got them all over my house. And my vehicle's 2-inch vehicle, just in case get a flat tire at night. 12,000 SUV winch, $299.99. We've seen it cheaper, mainly at the parking lot sales. If you guys haven't watched my parking lot sale video, we got October parking lot sale coming up. So I did make a video of the sales and specials we're gonna have those days. So don't forget to watch that. I'll see if I can link it up here, or you guys just look at a October parking lot sale, tool head 147. Got a 17 feet multitask ladder, $109.99. 125 amp flex core welder, $99.99. Says good central pneumatic or better. McGraw, $69.99 for the central, and McGraw, $174.99. Both are oiled lube compressors, so it's just an upgrade there. 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. 130 piece toolkit with a case, $20. I'm not really a fan of these. I like to buy my own tools, my own, choose my own pliers, choose my own sockets. But in this case, you can probably get this. It's cheap. You just throw it in a vehicle. I do have one on my work truck, just to let you know. It still works. I'm missing a couple pieces. Not really hurting me, because it was only $29 when I bought it. Still works. The case is kind of flimsy. The case is kind of feels cheap, plastic. But other than that, the tools are great. They do work for what they're intended to do. Emergencies here and there, or lend them to somebody else. 30 by 18 hardwood dolly, $11.99. Rapid pump 1.5 tons lightweight aluminum floor jack, $59.99. Yeah, this is lighter duty jack, only 1.5 tons. It is lighter weight than other jacks, so just keep that in mind. Don't try lifting heavy vehicles with that. 5mm powder free natural gloves, $4.99. Definitely recommend this. I do have them. Did a video on my channel. 200 lumens LED super bright light, $249. Definitely recommend that. 6-ton heavy duty steel jack stands, $34.99. 6-inch 60-inch hardwood bench, $119.99. 26-inch by 22 single bank. Yeah, it's kind of pricey, but if you guys need them, pick them up. These are all great toolboxes here, US General. We do have the icon coming up. It should be showing up in stores. It's already, some of the YouTubers already made videos of the icon boxes. I still need to get my hands into one of those and look at it. But anyways, yeah, the icon line is coming up, and it's coming back. It's coming pretty soon. So, 1/2 inch composite pro impact wrench, $129.99. These are great sockets. Definitely recommend for $19.99. 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane, $149.99. Heavy duty hand truck, $29.99. These are the regular aired tires. They did get out a new Dolly with airless tires, so flat free. These are great. Definitely recommend these. They're not impact rated, but they do work, for not selling. If you do woodworking, they work just fine. I even used them with my impact driver to take some lug nuts off. I don't know if you guys seen my video, but I did break a couple of these. Obviously they're not meant for that, but I was just playing around with that video and just doing it for fun. 3/8 50 feet retractable air hose reel, $54.97. Anything with the Predator engine works real good. Definitely recommend anything with the Predator compressors. Well, not compressors, generators or power washers, pressure washers. $249 for that. 4x36 belt and this sander, $59.99. 5x2.5 horsepower 10-inch style brick saw, $239. Anytime, and I do recommend these for you guys, especially for the tire changes. You want to torque it to specs. Would not recommend this for precise application for engine rebuilding and stuff like that. Wouldn't recommend that. Ammo dry box, $2.99. 3-in-1 electric vacuum and blower mulcher, $39.99. Do have this on my channel, works real good. Ball joint service kit, 2 4-wheel drive vehicles, $59.99. 4-piece anti-fatigue foam mat set, $6.99. Variable speed polisher sander, $32.99. I do have this, works real good. Definitely recommend it for you guys. I do have a couple videos on my channel, so don't forget to watch those. $79.99. 100-watt solar panel kit, $149.99. I do have this too. I do have a lot of videos on solar. If you guys like solar, if you guys like producing your own energy and not getting charged for it, free energy, don't forget to watch my videos. I do have a playlist on my channel, it says solar. So yeah, I do have a few batteries and solar panels and stuff like that. So 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press, $54.99. 10 by 10 feet portable shed, $119. Yeah, it's not gonna last forever, but it should, it should be okay. It should be okay for the price. It says automatic battery floater charger, $5.99. A lot of people don't trust these. However, it does have 4.5 stars, so that means it's okay for the price. You got full motion wall mount, $39.99. Definitely recommend this for you guys. Any mount from Harbor Freight, definitely save you some money and still perform the good holding your TV in place. Reciprocating saw with rotating handle, $19.99. Oversized low profile creeper. I heard a lot of mixed reviews on this. This thing breaking, who knows? I couldn't tell you. It's $19.99. It's real cheap. So maybe you're a lighter person, smaller person, that could be an item for you. Anyways, that's it for today. Especially for that coupon here, we got to try it out. See if I can stop by Harbor Freight this weekend and let you know how this coupon is working. If not, I'll keep you guys updated in the comments. I'll see if I can get some feedback from some of the viewers and social media, and I'll let you know what's going on with this coupon, if it works or not, or how does it work. All right, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.